Question 18, right south as a three-figure bearing. Now remember, a bearing is basically an angle which is measured clockwise around from north. And north is obviously on the 8-pointed compass here, N pointing upwards, and that's classed as the starting point. So that's classed as 0 degrees. Remember, it's traditional that bearings are actually given as three figures. That's just traditional, left over from hundreds of years ago when ships sailing on the sea used to use bearings. They used to use a magnetic compass to decide which direction they were sailing in, and maps of the world to make sure that they were sailing in the right direction. They didn't get lost at sea. That's where the phrase losing your bearings comes from, being lost at sea. So right south is a three-figure bearing. So basically, north is 0 degrees. That's the starting point, or 0, 0, 0 degrees if you give it as three figures. And then east is 90. South is 180, west is 270, and as you can see, you're going around in 90 degrees every time you do a quarter of a turn. So it goes 0, 90, 180, 270, then back to the start, which you could call 360 degrees or 0 degrees. The angles in between would then be going up every 45. So 0 plus 45 gives you 45 degrees, plus another 45 gives you 90, plus another 45 takes you to 135, plus another 45 takes you to 180, another 45, 225, plus another 45 is 270, another 45 is 315, and another 45 is 360. But that's back to the beginning, so we can also call that 0. So the one we actually want, south, is 180 degrees. Final answer, 180.